President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev attended the ceremony to reopen the Garabagh Hotel in the city of Khankendi after its major overhaul and restoration. Head of the President's Administrative Services Department, Ramin Guluzade, informed the head of state and the accomplished works. The hotel was commissioned in the mid-20th century. In 2023, following the complete restoration of Azerbaijan's territorial integrity through 24-hour anti-terrorist measures, President Ilham Aliyev instructed the commencement of renovation and reconstruction works at the hotel. Subsequently, these works successfully restored the building to its original appearance. The hotel regained its former name and will operate under the name Garabagh. The modern hotel boasts all amenities for the comfort of guests visiting Khankendi. The hotel has rooms of different categories, as well as a restaurant. It will be able to host business meetings and events. Landscaping works were also carried out in the hotel premises.